The inflection point where we are right now is that AI investment is truly accelerating and a lot of the repetitive work is disappearing. That doesn't mean that people matter less, but slow manual processes no longer make sense. At the same time, the work that is human, judgment, creativity, leadership, that is rising in value. And every organization has a decision to make. Lead the shift, manage the shift, or resist it and be left behind. This moment isn't about technology. This moment is about leadership. So before you go, consider this. Where are you moving forward, and where are you still protecting processes that no longer serve you? Because the real risk isn't trying AI and learning and failing. The real risk is standing still and calling it caution. So your commitment is, in the next 30 days, explore AI tools isn't a commitment. But schedule a 90-minute workshop with my team to map friction points and use the 4-zone decision matrix. That is a commitment. I want you to make a commitment and put it into practice. You go on with this? On point? Yeah? You're gonna do it? Good.